All right, so let's start creating our own content. So I'm going to start again by clicking on Create. So now I have a project, and remember what I said in that I don't want us using any of the default characters. So I'm going to trash the cat by clicking on the garbage can. And I'm now going to add a new sprite or character. So I've got several different options here that I can choose from. I can upload a sprite that's been created somewhere else. I can get a random sprite. I can paint my own sprite, which is what I'm going to do. So I click on that, and it takes me to a new window where I can create my own sprites and I can create my own backgrounds. So I'm going to start by creating my own sprite. So I'm going to leave the default color at purple there, and I'm going to take the paintbrush tool, and I'm going to draw a beautiful butterfly. Okay, I'm going to add a few more features to the butterfly. I'm going to give him a body. Now, remember, it's important that our video games look good, but because we're just starting out, I don't expect them to be perfect by any means. So you doodle your characters, have some fun with it, explore some of the drawing tools. Now, there's a fill option I can use there, but for now, I'm going to simply do that. And I'm going to give him one antenna, two antenna, and here's where we can use some of the different options here. I want, let's go with a nice bright green, make it a little bit darker. So I'm going to fill in green and green, and we'll get some blue in there too. Blue and blue. Okay, so there is my butterfly. I'm going to give him a name. Butterfly 1, who knows, there may be more than one butterfly. And I'm happy with my butterfly now. So what I'm going to do is go back to my code. Notice there is my butterfly, and I want my butterfly to move around the screen. So I showed you in the previous video how to make movement occur. So this time I'm going to go to Control. No, I'm going to go back to Events. And I'm going to program this butterfly to move in 4 different ways. So when the up arrow is placed or selected, I want my character to move up. So I'm going to be changing the X and Y coordinates rather than simply the move option, which you saw previously. So I want to change my Y coordinate, which is the up coordinate. If I make this number positive, it will move up. So let's test that. There we go. I want to use this same bit of code again. This time I'm going to choose my down arrow, and I'm going to go back to motion, and I'm going to change Y by -10. That way it's going to move down, and let's test that one. So now I'm hitting the down arrow. I chose set Y too. Hold on, I want to change Y by then. Those are different. So -10. There my butterfly moves up and down. Perfect. Now I also want my butterfly to move left and right. So back to events when right arrow is clicked. And I'm going to pull another one of these out right now and choose when left arrow is clicked. So for my right arrow, I want my character to move to the right. So I will change my X by 10. And for my moving to the left, I want to change my X coordinate by -10. So there we have a very basic introduction of movement. Up, down, left, and right. I'm happy with my butterfly. That's step 1. Now I'm going to, in the next few videos, show you how to add different characters, and I want you to show me 3 different types of movement. And I'll explain those to you in the next videos. Okay, so at this point, get a character created. It does not need to be a butterfly. It can be anybody. Create your character and add some motion to it. Good luck.